So this Jaguan is the new champion?
I never showed him yet.
Mm-hmm. Great bird. Great bird. Great bird. This is the gift for Thomas, eh?
Yeah.
Great bird. Nice bird.
And someone was in at the Femme. Hen.
This bird, will you take it back to you with in London? This one or not?
Yeah, bring this one. I'm bringing all those.
All these birds, eh?
Well, not the youngest. The youngest. He's not ready yet. His tail is not full down.
Because of his feathers, or?
Yeah, because he's too valuable to show. I pair 4 hens to him now. But the importance of the hens is that
this one will be to the next show in London?
Yeah.
And it will be the next champion.
I'm sure he'll be in bed with that cock in a little while.
Good luck, Oliver, good luck.
Yeah.